Good afternoon, teachers. I'm here to explain it to you how you can control the options that you have as a host on a Google Meet. Let's start from the first step that once you are in your Google Classroom and you have a class, make sure that the link has been generated. As you can see over here, generate link. From this place, the children are going to join. They will go to your Google Classroom and then join according to the timetable that will be communicated to them through the school. All right. So you click on join. It should be visible to students. Join. All right. Now, as you can see, the camera is off, but you can change the background effects from here to whichever one you feel like. Now I'm clicking on join, and this is something you should do beforehand. Um, this is the place that has all the host controls. Click on this. Now, when you are clicking on it, it says this should be enabled. Share the screen, you can disable it, otherwise children will be asking to share the screen. Turn it off. Send reactions, yes, you should keep it on. Turn on the microphone on, turn on the video on. Chat moderation, let participants send messages. Now, it can be turned on, but if you feel that the children are talking unnecessarily, then you can turn it off while during the meet as well. The meeting access, host must join before anyone else. Yes, it should be turned on. It should be in this way because you should be the first one to join the meeting rather than the children being there on their own. This should be on. This is very important. Um, all right. People can join without asking only if they are invited using the. No, it should be trusted. Keep it trusted. Okay. Let contributors share add-on activities. When off, only activities shared by a host can be shared with others. Yes, you can enable it. No need to turn it off. That's also fine. Okay. So we are done with the host control. These are the things that I have already told you. These are the emojis. This was discussed. This was discussed. Sharing screen was also discussed. That's about it. Any questions if you have, you can ask uh, in the group that we are sharing this video on. Thank you.